this life was about for many years, was reality existence or non-existence? Was reality beyond existence or non-existence, which can't be solved till you go past consciousness level 850. So I came in as nothingness. Nothingness was the absolute reality, nothingness. From there, a lot of rather profound spiritual experiences happened. They were all spontaneous, in which I experienced the infinite radiance of the self. And whether the physical body continued to exist or not was totally irrelevant, because in that state, it's timeless. So in a snowbank somewhere in the highways of Wisconsin, I climbed in out of this blizzard, and this incredible blissful condition overwhelmed. And there was no personal self anymore, just an infinite presence beyond all description, beyond all time, with no beginning and no end. Its characteristics were power beyond all description. The power of divine love is invincible. Its invincibility is based on the fact that it is absolute. The absolute power of divinity is an absolute, and simultaneously exquisitely soft, so that what was left of the self, personal self, melted into this infinite beingness. Then came the knowingness, the reality, that which I am existed before all time. That which I am will exist beyond all universes, after all universes have disappeared. Resist. An absolute knowingness. The thing about spiritual reality is that it is an absolute. Experientially, it is an absolute. It's non-verbal. No questions can be asked, none arise, because they have all been answered.